Hi, today we're going to see how to create a scribbled portrait effect in GIMP. I will put the link of this image in the description box. So first we need to create a new transparent layer, so click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to place it under the person layer, this one here, so here it is. And now I'm just going to fill this layer with the black color. So here it is. So if I hide this one, so here it is, and now select the person layer. So I'm going to desaturate this layer, so go to colors and then saturation. And now I'm just going to bring the scale slider all the way down and then press OK. And now I'm going to brighten this layer here, so go to colors again and then curves. And now here I'm going to move this point here till here. As you can see, it's brightened it a little bit. And now I'm going to just bring up this one here, this curve. So I think here it's okay, and then press OK. And now I'm going to scale up this layer so that the face of the person here takes most space here of the layer. So select the scale tool, left click. And now as you can see here, chain icon here is linked. So keep the control key down while scaling from one handle to scale it proportionally like this. And now I'm going to bring down. So here I'm going to scale it down. So here it is. So I think here it's okay, and now click on scale, and now right click, layer to image size, and now we're going to add the layer mask on this layer here. So right click, add the layer mask, and then check the black full transparency layer mask and then add. So here as you can see we are looking at our layer here under. So if I hide the black layer, so here it is, transparent. Since on layer mask the white represents opacity and the black transparency. So for example, if I select the paintbrush tool and then paint with white, as you can see the foreground is white. So here I will reveal the layer, so Ctrl Z. So now in order to create our scribbled portrait effect, you can either use the paintbrush, just reduce the size. So here and then start just making scribbles here. So I didn't get good effect with it, so Ctrl Z to undo. You can also use it. So now I'm going to use another method. So I'm going to create a new transparent layer. So click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. Select the paths tool. So now I'm going to draw our scribble here with the paths tool. So here like this. So here, Ctrl Z to undo. So here, now I'm just going to move it like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm just going to stroke this path. So make sure you're on the new transparent layer created. Click on stroke path. Check the stroke line, solid color. Enable the anti-aliasing by checking it. And then the line width is going to be 1 pixel. Make sure the foreground color is white. We're going to use the white color. And then just click on stroke. So here it is. And now if I select another tool to remove the path here, so here it is. So here's our drawing here, our scribble. So now right click on the scribble layer, this one here we just created. Right click on it, alpha to selection to make selection of what's inside the layer. And then Control C to copy. So here, as you can see, copied pixels to the clipboard. And now I'm just going to remove this selection. So go to select, none. And now if I select the paintbrush tool, so here left click here on the brush. So here this is the first one, it's the first one. So here it is. So the size, I'm going to reduce size a little bit. So here like this. So I think here it's okay. The hardness and the force are 100. Make sure in the dynamics to check the track direction. So here it was on basic. So left click here. And then just scroll all the way down and then just click on track direction. And now I'm going to remove this layer here. We don't need it anymore. So click on this X icon here to remove it. And now I'm going to paint the brush here, the scribble brush here we created on the layer mask. Make sure to choose the layer mask and then just left click here. So here it is. So here it is, and now I'm just going to merge down these layers, so click on this icon. So here it is, that's how you can create a scribbled portrait effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and till next time.